Hello everyone. How many of you love going to temple when it rains? I personally love that experience a lot. I came to my Shivan's temple, which is nearby my home, which is like this. One of my favorite temple, I would say. It's a huge temple. I love. I would like to show in a long shot so that you will get to know the beauty of this temple, how it looks like. It is Masilamaniswara Temple. This is how it is. There we have the Moolavar, Garbhagraham. Here Amavaru. And then here the Gopuram. And this is small temples.